Oh, oh my god. Hiccups again. So annoying. Why hiccups all the time? Oh god. Why we get hiccups? Why do we get hiccups? Hi everyone, have you ever heard that if we hiccups, it means we want to grow taller quickly? Or hiccups says the baby wants to be smart? Or they say hiccups means someone misses us? Don't believe it, it's all just a myth and not medically proven. Well, then why do we get hiccups? What exactly are hiccups? And where do hiccups come from? Let's hear we find out. Hiccups or singultus are the contractions of the diaphragm muscle or the muscles that line the chest and stomach. Hiccups are a natural process caused by involuntary and sudden pressure on the muscles of the diaphragm, abdominal cavity, chest cavity, and vocal cords, which occur repeatedly, resulting in air entering the lungs being pushed out quickly and suddenly. Suddenly, this causes our glottis, our vocal cords, to automatically close. This is what makes our voice hic, hic. There are various things that cause hiccups or pressure on the diaphragm muscles, For the example, eating food too quickly and talking while eating. Eating in a hurry will result in a sudden influx of oxygen into the lungs. This condition can affect the condition of the diaphragm muscle. Not drinking enough can also make us hiccups. When our body lacks fluid intake, it causes food to get stuck in the esophagus. It is completely pushed into the stomach. Eating food that are too spicy, too salty, and too sour can also cause someone to experience hiccups, because the excessive sensation causes the diaphragm to experience sudden pressure, which can lead to hiccups. Hiccups can also arise because of emotion. For example, feeling too happy or too sad. This emotional impulse that is too strong also causes our diaphragm muscles to experience strong pressure. But don't worry everyone, these hiccups won't last long and will stop by themselves. Okay everyone, that's why we get hiccups. Hopefully it's useful, and see you next time. Bye!